Hello everyone! Today I'm making a classic Yule Log cake. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step and I'll show you how to make the perfect mascarpone cream for the filling. First, let's make the mascarpone cream. It's super smooth and perfect for this Yule Log. In a bowl, add all the ingredients together. So we have the mascarpone, the powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and also the cold whipping cream, and beat until the texture becomes thick and fluffy. Don't overmix, just stop when the cream holds its shape. And look at the texture, super silky. Here, I already baked my sponge cheese. I have a full detailed recipe in another video, so make sure to check it out if you want the exact measurement. Spread a generous layer of mascarpone cream on your sponge, leaving a small space at the edges. And gently roll it up. Take your time so it stays tight and smooth. And after that, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now for the topping, I'm using a chocolate ganache. I also have it in a separate detailed video. So spread the ganache all over the log and don't worry about making it perfect. We're going to give it that classic wood texture. And with a fork, gently draw wavy lines to create that tree bark effect. Go from one side to the other just like this. It gives the cake a rustic look. And now a light dusting of powdered sugar to make it look like fresh snow. For the final touch, I'm adding these little meringue mushrooms. I already made them in another video. They are super cute and perfect for your log decoration. And that's it, a beautiful festive Yule log cake. Creamy, soft and decorated just like a real winter log.